hooked on you. I'm hooked on you and I'm about to overdose. She tell me say I'm hooked on you. I'm hooked on you and I'm about to overdose.
Hey guys, what's up? Oh my gosh, it's been so long. I should have posted a life update before this goes up, but I have moved to Los Angeles. I'm in LA and I got a house. So I'm renting a house for a year. If you didn't already know, I used to live in Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah, I've got an empty house tour and I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna be doing movie vlogs. So if you wanna see all of that, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I can understand that because I haven't posted in like literally 10 months. I also want to thank you guys. I know I haven't posted on YouTube specifically, but I do this full time. I post on Instagram. I have my jobs that are only because you guys follow me, you guys support me. So thank you so much for not giving up on me, because now I'm back and I'm better. I actually have my brothers and sister here. They help me move and just hang out with me, and you know, we're gonna make this place a home. All right, so let's go. Yo, what up? My name is Keaton and welcome to my crib. Okay, all right, just come on in. All right guys, this is my empty house tour. We have literally nothing. After this, we're gonna go get things. But yeah, my sister is helping me film this video and we're just gonna go through all the rooms and do all that. Okay, so this is the garage. I'll show you guys that last. But all right, let's start with this room right here. So this is the guest bathroom. I literally fell in love with this room. This might have actually been one of the reasons why I got this house, but it's really great. I love this. Gives me life. I just love the idea of it. I feel like I'll put maybe like a painting or something cool there. I don't know. And then yeah, so you're a guest in my room. Oh, that's okay. I'm just yeah. If you're a guest in my house, you can, you know, use this bathroom. So love that. One thing I love about this house is the white and black detailing. It's everywhere in the house. We got black doors. The appliances are black and it's like really great. You'll see the kitchen in a second. All right. One thing I wanted to make sure I had in my place was an open floor plan. So I have the kitchen over here, dining room area, and the living room area, which I wanted to be really spacious. Thank you, Jesus. So let's start with the kitchen now. This is the island, which is black. And then we have marble countertops here and black backsplash. And I don't know guys, I just like it, I just love it. I can't wait to decorate. I just feel like there's just so many things to do and you know, I'm just really excited about that. So anyways, this is the stove. Lots of cabinets? Oh yeah, what's a counter?
The cabinet.
You just told me! Cabinets! So lots of cabinets, which is nice. I just like, I don't even know if I have enough things to put in there, but you know, you'll find
you'll find things.
You'll find things.
Like, what?
Happening? I love.
Oh my god, that's what we had.
I know, we used to have it. And then dishwasher here, which is still new. I literally have to remove the thing. I will do that in a second. And then we got the fridge. So, you know, in every MTV Cribs episode, you know, they always gotta talk about the fridge, you know. There's literally nothing in here. All right, so we got some Chick-fil-A fries just out here. I feel like this needs to go in the garbage, but anyway.
Hey,
Oh yeah, they were forget my brother's
what?
Water.
Who gets this?
yeah, just like Nigeria, man.
Definitely.
You know what? Yeah, I scared. Put it in the fridge. So this is water.
Oh well, okay. We're gonna have one more addition to our fridge.
All
Alright, yeah, so literally you have nothing in the fridge. But yeah, this is
a long tube. Tastes like my fridge. You got a little bit?
There's nothing in this fridge. My fridge is now stocked with water. And then this is the pantry. So we have just more counter spots. That's the whole fridge situation. I'm continuing now to just interrupt my whole life. So yeah, dining room, and then we've got this area right here, which is the living room. I mean, maybe the TV will go here. Like I think there's only space for screen mounted.
Yeah, I think it has to go there.
And then maybe like the sectional. I mean, if you guys have any ideas of like any decorating tips, anybody's interior designer out there, holla at me. That'd be great because God needs a little bit of help. Okay? But I think I have my idea, but I would definitely love to like get some help. So give me some tips. Okay. All right. So first we can go here. Okay. okay? These are the 3 bedrooms here, and they're all gonna have their separate things that they can use for. So this is gonna be, this is a guest room. Oh, I didn't even know I had that.
Oh, lights.
Okay, so this is a guest room. So whenever you want to come over, make sure you let me know because there's a waiting list for people who want to stay in this room. It has a mirror closet, and the closet. I feel like I'm gonna use this closet, so if you're a guest in my house, you just have to, my clothes are gonna be there. So yeah. Oh, it dims.
Oh.
Wow, these are things you don't know when you get a house.
That's
and
so
then
cool.
You literally get it and it's like,
Yeah.
okay. And then next stop is the guest bathroom, which has a tub, which is nice, and it has a different kind of marble than the one in the kitchen. I really like the floor. I feel like it's really different in like the whole house. It doesn't really match the vibes as much as you would think, but I think it's pretty cool and unique. So that's that. And then this is gonna be my office. So I picked this one because it has a really good lighting coming from this way, and I feel like I'm gonna do an office tour when I do it, but I feel like right behind over here is gonna be one of those IKEA closet systems that will like just have all the stuff that I'll need for my PR and all that kind of stuff. And then my desk will probably go like here, my chair will be here, my like desktop, and then 2 chairs will be. But yeah, it has another one of these. This will probably have my camera equipment and that kind of stuff in here.
It's my room.
This is a miscellaneous room. Right now I'm trying to figure out what it's gonna be. There's a lot of options, but we'll see. And then there's a walk-in closet.
This is a bit smaller, but I think I'll be okay with it.
Smaller than what? Smaller than what? So yeah, this closet. And then this has its own bathroom. So those two over there. Those two over there share one, and then this has its own, and it has its own shower. My shower, which is nice, and countertop again.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know it was in the video.
Okay, and last but not least is my bedroom. So this is my bedroom. It's a master bedroom. I feel like if I were to have a TV, maybe mounted in here, but I don't know if I want a TV in my room. Anyway, I'm thinking, I don't know which side the bed will be, but
Makes sense, yeah.
Probably this side.
Yeah, because you have the windows there.
Yeah. So yeah, this is my bedroom. It's got a mirror closet as well. And then, ta-da! This is my bathroom, which I love and I'm obsessed with. I can't breathe. So this is my shower. Oops. Then I'll go to, I don't know.
Who sits in shower?
Who sits? I sit. It's huge and I love it and can't wait to shower in here. I just got here this morning, so literally never use it. But yeah, it's 2 sinks, one for me and one for me.
Scratch that. One for you and one for me.
I'm not scratching anything. I'm not scratching anything. And then, gosh, I'm so embarrassing. Okay. For my bedroom, got the backyard. Everything happening. Things are happening.
Things are happening,
Things are happening. So yeah, so got this expanse of grass.
Do a cartwheel.
Can I actually do a cartwheel? I haven't done one in 10 years. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to ask you to do that.
But I feel like my scarf is just falling off.
No, it actually is. It's fine.
Oh, okay. But anyway, yeah, so this is the backyard, which you can enter from that place or my room.
We can play Foursquare. Oh my gosh, that was my favorite childhood game ever.
Oh, that is
It's literally Foursquare.
Oh yeah, that's so true. So that's it, guys. This is the end of my house tour. You can leave now. MTV Cribs. I'm just kidding. It made no sense. I just wanted to end it like it began. But anyway, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up this video if you want to see a furnished house tour. That'll come later when I, get myself together. But the next few videos you're gonna see are moving vlogs because we're about to get this place furnished. At least even the next vlog is gonna be us getting somewhere to sit down. Because there's literally
At least something. Like
everybody is just standing.
Just standing.
Oh my god, look at everybody just standing. Oh, I don't think I showed the garage. I don't think I showed the garage, but we have a 2-car garage here, and the laundry room is in there. So I'm excited. I'm probably gonna use
half of the garage for Atara, all the stock that I have, and I'm gonna get more things. So I'm really excited about this space because it's about to be lit.
All right, everyone say bye.